In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a shared link to a folder or file in Dropbox. This is a fantastic way to ensure an extra layer of security when sharing your files, since it requires anyone with the link to input a password before accessing the content. Keep in mind, though, this doesn't password protect the folder or file within your Dropbox account itself. It only secures the shared link. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account through your web browser by going to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the folder you want to share. You can do this by browsing through your files on the home page or using the search bar at the top to locate the specific folder. When you've found the folder, hover over it. You'll notice a set of options appear, or you might need to click on the three little dots labeled More Options to expand the menu. Select the option that says Share. This is where we'll begin the process of sharing your folder with a protective password. Next, you'll need to either copy the link or create a new one. This depends on whether a link has already been generated for this folder. If a link hasn't been created yet, select Create Link. If there's already a link, you should see an option to Copy Link. After you have the link ready, your next step is to manage the settings for it. Look for Manage, or Link Settings, next to the link you just created or copied. This is where you can adjust how the link operates, specifically for adding password protection. Once you click on this, you'll see a variety of options. You're looking for one that allows you to require a password. It might be a toggle switch labeled with something like Require Password. Ensure this setting is turned on to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to enter the password that your recipients will use to access the shared link. Make sure the password is strong enough to prevent unwanted access. Ideally, it should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've decided on a password, carefully type it into the provided field. Double-check to confirm it's entered correctly, as any typo could make it impossible for recipients to access the folder. Finally, remember to save these settings. This step is crucial because if you forget to save, your link will not be password protected, leaving your files vulnerable. Once everything is saved, you're ready to share the link with your recipients. However, when you share the link, remember to send them the password separately. Without this password, they won't be able to access the folder via the link, ensuring your documents stay securely protected. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've added an extra layer of security to your shared files on Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on keeping your digital data safe and secure.